Hello everyone. Today we will present a development tutorial for ESP32 in the Arduino environment. Do you often find the performance of the 51 microcontroller insufficient? Or are you troubled by the lack of networking capabilities in the STM32 microcontroller? Don't worry, the ESP32 from Shanghai-based Espressif Systems can perfectly address these issues. The ESP32 boasts robust computational capabilities and a wealth of networking features. The official development environment, ESP32, supports a variety of advanced features. However, ESP32 is based on Ninja and Commake for its build system. It contains a large number of command line tools. The installation and configuration process is relatively complex. Fortunately, we can utilize the Arduino development environment to simplify this process. Arduino offers a simpler development interface for ESP32, encapsulates many of the lower-level implementations. You can easily develop feature-rich ESP projects without needing to delve into all the details of ESP32. Arduino is based on ESP32. It utilizes ESP32 as the underlying architecture, but it provides a more user-friendly and simplified programming interface. In other words, Arduino allows you to leverage the powerful capabilities of ESP32 while enjoying its user-friendly features. It can also avoid the cumbersome configuration process. First, we open VSCODE. Install Platformio from the extension marketplace. Go to Pio Home, select New Project. Navigate to the Pio Home interface and select the option labeled New Project. Framework selection Arduino. This article uses Hezo's ESP32C3 development board as an example. Its LEDs are located at I012 and I013. Wait for the project to be created. Then you can have a meeting to write code. The code given here inverts the level of GPI 012 every second. That is, the LED will flash once every 2 seconds. After writing is completed, click the burn button. P10 will burn the program into ESP32 through serial port or JTAG. As you can see, the LED is already flashing.